my god. Okay, that is cool. That is cool. Yeah, what an entrance. Classic guitar riff. I like the melody though. It's pretty simple, but it's catchy. And he's playing it with feel, and that's the main thing. Nice little extended drum fill there. So that was Wu Bai, and this is the singer from Wu Yue Tian, I think. It's nice that they're sharing the verse. Nice. 你说真心总是可以长久，真爱总是可以长久，为何你的眼神才有不故事的冷漠？是否我只是你一种寄托，填满你感情的缺口，心中的别色，可是能让我停留？不愿总是曾经。 那里空气充满宁静，雪白明月就此大地，藏着你最深处的秘密。I like the way that Wu Bai looks ahead. 不该问，让你平静的心再起涟漪，是谁来你的心超出了界限？我想拥有你所有一切，应该是我不该问。 不该让你再将我是憧憬，只是心中枷锁，该如何才能解脱 ？Okay. Yeah, back to this riff again. Nice. Just here as well, I want to say that the drums are really helping out with this riff. I mean, he is center stage and killing it, but if you listen closely, the cymbal hits, a couple of the snare hits are really emphasized in time with the notes of the riff, and that just adds so much groove to it. So well done to the drums here with the drum line. It's really helping Wu Bai shine at the front. And this vocal line is so thick as well, with multiple voices and with the harmony being done. You can tell he's singing this straight from the heart. I love that. So you got this snow white moon shining on the ground, and oh, I love the pictures that it builds in your head. He's a good front man. Nice, singing to each other. I think as well the strings are super iconic sounding.
down to melody, really high up now. Yes. Slight variation now coming into a solo. See, the drummer, he's looking at him, he's making sure these fills emphasize that guitar. These bends are great. Oh, it just carries on and keeps going. And the big slowdown. Yes. I really love the energy there.